I don't know much about it, but we're gonna figure it out. Welcome to Show Me Tint. I'm Randy. I'm gonna show you what's in the shop today. We finally caught a Tesla truck in here. We've done a couple. I wanted to show it to you. We wrapped this one white. We're just doing what we call a follow-up appointment. After we wrap one, we like to check it over, make sure it's all looking good for the customer after they've washed it and used it a little bit. This is kind of a neat film. It's dry apply paint protection film. So this is something we've been using a lot of lately. We're having a lot of luck with it. So almost the same price as like a normal wrap, except a longer warranty, tougher material, can handle the impact in between the metal and the film. That's what we've been recommending on these. I got a little box around here somewhere. Hang on, maybe it's over here. No, it's definitely over here. Yeah, do the hokey pokey. SVG, what am I saying, J? Oh. The whole time I thought that was a J. SVG. 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 Never stop innovating. This is the satin black, what we put on this guy. Don't look yet though. I'm gonna show you this first. This is my dude Max, A-Max Electric. He's been coming for a long time. He's got a little electric company. He actually like signed me into this thing on my phone, so I can just do all the stuff. Let's check it out. Yeah, I'm basically a Tesla owner right now. Could technically drive this whenever, although he did say don't do that. He didn't actually ask me not to do that. This is pretty cool. Like we've tinted a lot of these. You can pretty much change your ride height, which is pretty neat. Let's go down to low. Drop it low. Is it dropping? Am I going up? Oh yeah. So there's all kinds of tricks to this. Electronic adaptive air suspension with 12 inches of travel, 16 inches of clearance. Foot? That sounds crazy. Can be adjusted manually to suit different conditions, driving speed, drive mode, ground clearance needs. The Cybertruck has electronically adaptive air suspension with 12 inches of travel. According to the internet, I don't know. Did that look like 12 inches? So you saw us go up and down. It said it has the suspension, the adaptive electronical air suspension control of 12 inches. That looked like 12 inches? That's what she said. You know what I mean? Don't tell her any different. I wanted to think it's 12 inches. And the tonneau cover, electronic. You probably do that from my phone. Now that I'm an official Tesla truck owner, let's see. Oh, no, we do not want roadside assistance. Do not want security. Oh. Yep, sorry about that. Okay, not what I thought was gonna happen. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, there's a button for that. Just like an El Camino, kind of. Electronic El Camino. I heard somebody gets their fingers cut off by the hood of this thing. You could lock your kids in there. Don't want to say that because I don't want you to lock your kids in there. But you could, I would put maybe like one of my workers in there. That'd be nice. Put your lunch in there. I think this one does look pretty cool in white, honestly. It's been our favorite color. We've done black, white. I saw one where like they did all these matching in white. I would love to do that for somebody, but you'd be dropping some change. So, you know me, I'm down to spend your money. If you want to do something cool, let's do it. You know what I mean? This is cool. This is one windshield wiper. You have to order it on Amazon. It's not quite ready. Give it a little warm up. Big and floppy. Get her straightened out. There you go. Tesla truck, Cybertruck. What do you think of them? A lot of people love them. Heard they're bulletproof. We're not going to test that here. So I can't do that. But if I buy my own, I'll shoot it up. It's no big deal. If Batman was a family guy, this would be his ride. This is SVG, dry apply paint protection film. So this is what I truly believe is gonna be the future of wrap and paint protection as it combines. Years ago, I've said, put me down right here. Wrap and paint protection will be the same thing. As costs come together more and more, this is gonna be what you see in the future. These are kind of like all done up. We did the handles kind of special, our own Show Me Tint way that we do. Mirrors done the same way, so we blacked everything out. It's going down the tint shop next. I'm gonna get blacked out on the windows, and this guy's gonna come pick this up. He's gonna be so hyped. Everybody that does these, whether you're 90 or 9, you're just like so hyped you're getting it done. But this is a cool one. This looks good with all the wheels. I mean, this is what he wanted. Pretty popular thing right now. We're actually doing one up in the front bay, which is Land Cruiser, baby. I got it, Land Cruiser. Same thing. So I told this guy, I said, man, let's beat the curve. You wanna hit this, running, it's gonna be the next new thing. You're gonna be innovating. Comes in, we're already doing one. Boom. Now he's doing it too. This is the Land Cruiser. So this is kind of rare right now from what I hear. It's hard to get. I don't know. If you ordered one, you got one. But these are the newest release of Toyota's Land Cruiser. Looks pretty crazy up in there. See if we know anything cool about it. The new 2024 Land Cruiser. Off-roading features include interior upgrades and safety features. 8.7 inches of ground clearance. Step your game up, Land Cruiser. Tesla's got you beat by a couple inches. That's what she said. Well, the guy she told you not to worry about, and you. But it does have rock rails. You know, it's actually a pretty cool whip. This is for one of my favorite clients. He's super cool. He comes in, he's like, let's make it look like nobody else's. I'm like, I got you. And he always does gloss black. We always wrap him in clear. This is the first time he's done anything different, and he is a little bit stressed out. His wife is so happy we're doing it, you know, so it's pretty fun. We got to put it all back together. We're gonna get this one done too. Today's popping off. We got the Stangry. Why you mad, bro? Stang? Why you mad, bro? Why you so mad, bro? Why you mad? Bro, why you mad? Chill out. It's okay, vibe out, bro. Just vibe out. We're doing PPF on this one. We did some tint on it, windshield, came in, said, I'm getting some rock chips. I said, I got you. And then we did this hood, and we found out the hard way that this hood is over 60 inches. Normally, a hood is 60 inches. The new ones, they're more than 60 inches. So we stretched it, made it work. And you can't really see it on here. If you looked really close, you could see a couple little flaws from the installation. We tried to make it work with the 60. It was too much stretch. So I overnighted a 72 for the customer. It'll be here in the morning. We're gonna redo it. That way it can be perfect for the customer and our expectations of our installation. So for the record, if you're a new shop out there and you're watching this, order 72 because you're gonna need it. And don't be angry, bro. It's just a little PPF. Don't be mad. It's just, you're just as cool as everybody else. My son loves these cars. My son be like, that's a Mustang. That's a Mustang. He loves them. You wanna go check out the American flag truck? We're doing a tow truck. Oh man. Oh, I got a bass boat with blue chrome tint. Holla at your boy Randy at Show Me Tint. You just, let's go. Let's go. We're leaving. You may stab it. You want me to snap? All right, fine. Snap it. Want to get the booty in it? Oh, can you? We're going to the tint shop. Never know what's going to come through the shop. We were walking out. I saw it just got done. They pulled it around. This is like a rhino line American flag. Look how long that is. That's kind of dope. Kind of cool. Definitely different. Definitely different. You just never know with people, man. People are wild these days. You can put anything you want on your ride, but if you're gonna put something big, put a flag on it. America, back-to-back world champs. What up? I got my 50 back over here. It's sitting outside, hot as hell. Oh my God, oh my God. Baby girl, hey baby. Now we gotta get her cleaned up. Someone else gonna have it for sale. I hate to sell it. I don't like talking about it in front of her, but I gotta sell it. I gotta move on my next venture. Yeah. Are you ready? Welcome to the tint shop. Andre's down here tinting the old Chevy truck. Such a good time. He loves it. Everybody loves tinting these old trucks. They're a good time. They're not. They're hard and dirty. Especially these things. Look at this. Half of you guys watching don't even know what that is. That's how you used to lock the window back in the day. This was your safety mechanism. Oh, need some air conditioning? Time to get it in. Not anymore. Now they got fancy air conditioning. These are cool trucks. Don't get me wrong. I love these trucks. I'm obviously a bow tie guy. Everybody knows that. Love these. But tinting them, a little bit of work. And then blue chrome tint. What is going on here? What kind of boat is this? It's just generally just a kind of a weird looking boat. It's my buddy's, good friend of mine. Love him to death, actually. I hope I told him right. I said the blue looked better. He was gonna do the sunset, had a lot of gold in it. He said, I don't know. And I said, well, you can try the blue chrome. You got blue in the boat already. He said, yeah, let's do it. I'll try it, he said. But he's not afraid to tell me he wants to change it as soon as he does something either. Does blue bring in my eyes? It's fine. You know, no big deal. You know, big deal. I do like the blue chrome. It's cool. You want to see the tow truck we're wrapping? The Ramon's over here jamming it out. Let's go over here and see what's happening. See what's cracking off. Jamon. Black and green and green and black. Here, I'll show you a little. Black, green, and black. Right, green, black, and green. You understand? I'm saying, we'll put some green and some black on here in an organized fashion. It'll look nice. Take the headlights out, or was it missing? Looks like you almost cut it short there, homie. Wow, you made it. Made it work. I love that. Well, we crammed this big old long thing up in our shop. Pretty tight fit. Give me a big shop, I'm gonna put a lot of stuff in it. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, this is for Reliable Towing, Public, Missouri. Cracking it off. We got a lot going on today, considering everybody else is kind of just chilling. I got some guys out at Clever Stone. They're in the heat. Pray for them, because it's gonna be hot out there. I'm telling you right now. I hope they drank their water. Oh, good, they left their water on over here. I'm gonna shut that off real quick. Guys, I want to tell you thank you for checking out the channel. I love it when you watch the videos. Like it, share it, send it to me. Tell me I did a good, bad job. I just appreciate you. I appreciate you a lot. It means a lot to us, so thank you for checking it out. Give me a like, give me a follow. If you can share it with like 2 people that you think might like it, that helps out a lot. You know what I mean? That'd be a good thing for all of us. And for everybody, because your friends would be like, I had no idea they were this cool. You know what I mean? And then they bump your friend status up. Maybe you get a Christmas card, who knows? You know what I mean? put that share button. Thanks for checking it out. Peace out.